hard. Turn hard. You're already fucking up. You need to turn that wheel, bro. Oh yeah, you fucked up. Keep going. There you go. Learn something today.
Oh yeah, I got that shit.
Oh yeah, see? Rookies.
I'm not a rookie.
There you are.
Just something more I didn't want to burn out.
Yeah, right. Look at that. My dad don't know how technology works. I got that one up there.
Oh yeah, true.
Woo, it's warm already.
Looks great.
Looking slick or what?
Fantastic.
Oh yeah, alrighty. Trying to get the coolant drained on this real quick. Going to help the homie out doing water pump time belt tensioner on here. He's going to drive his Civic back and forth from California instead of his Lexus. The Lexus takes way too much fuel, and with current gas prices, that ain't going to work. So Civic, 1 tank of gas, pretty much got here. Going to go ahead and drain out the coolant out of this real quick. While he's doing that, I'm going to install a TSR battery tray on the right-hand drive Integra. That thing's going to finally leave home today, and then we'll do something special tomorrow. So real quick, I picked up these parts from Aaron Teague over at TSR. Long time homie, known long time, good guy. This is his TSR battery tray. It's going to get installed right here on the side of the frame rail. Package these all up nice, even though he could have not did that, but much appreciated, so nothing got damaged on the way home. This is the battery tie down part that goes across, and then the 2 posts that hold it. Here's the actual tray that gets mounted right here, and then the hardware that comes with it right here. So I'm going to install that real quick and then show you what that looks like when it's done. Pretty much if you've seen any of my builds in the past, you already know that I'd be using these TSR battery trays on everything, and I recommend them to everybody. So you're trying to get them out of your bay, out of the way. Right here is where you mount them. Nice and solid right there. Can't go wrong. Scuffed it down real quick with some Scotch-Brite. Got cleaned up a little bit real quick. Just gonna hit some black. You got Ace Hardware near you. This premium gloss enamel black. This stuff works out perfect just for a quick refresh on parts without having to take it to powder coat. If you ain't got access to a powder coater, this black right here, this stuff lays pretty flat and looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a coat of this on there and then let it dry and get it installed on the car. Here, if you want paint to dry faster, you just stare at it. You see it? It's drying quicker. You just look at it. Watch paint dry. See it? It's drying. Oh yeah. Basically, real quick, that painted bracket that we just did with the fresh black, that's right behind this bracket for the TSR battery tray that you need to install. So I put that behind there and then tighten the bolts down so I can locate the holes on the back side of the frame rail that I need to drill so I can add the new hardware for the TSR battery tray. I just got my silver Sharpie right here. Here's the holes. These are the spots that we're going to need to drill. So I'm just taking that, marking where I'm going to need it to go here. Just like that. Get a nice little circle so you can see about where the center is going to be. Then mark that with a center punch. And then drill out the holes real quick.
Loose.
That's what happened to him.
He loves it when I get home. Shit.
What's up, dog?
What's up? What are you doing?
Just looking for fucking transports.
Feeling good?
Yeah. My back hurts. I just like, you know.
Safety meeting?
Safety meeting.
Safety meeting.
Gotta be safe.
Safe.
Hear what?
Got your towel?
You gonna paint? You got booger hanging out your nose.
That's all right. At least I don't eat them like you used to.
Oh, I still do.
A lot of protein, huh?
This thing's gross, bro. I don't know how you guys eat them.
These are horrible. That's why I don't
Yeah,
like
You
being
like
high.
the onions?
Another perfect
Like
road
that.
trip.
Your daughter likes them.
I don't give a fuck. I don't. My daughter doesn't like pizza. That's like baby Jesus' gift to earth.
Well, what happened to you?
I just said baby Jesus gifted her. I said pizza
Baby
was.
Jesus should have left you in the womb and started all over again.
Yeah,
I told your mom when she dropped you on your head that this fucking messed everything up.
That was Reggie. My brother Reggie dropped the sink on his head. He grabbed that shit. My dad left it on the counter hanging halfway off. My brother grabbed his shit and the sink fell on his head.
I don't know. I just think
Never go wrong with finance.
crazy that's actually happening.
These things are gross, just like I thought.
Look
Ugh.
at him. He just eating them like they were no tomorrow, like that's all he's had to eat. Yeah, chew on it.
I am. Because I can't chew on it. I got
Oh,
teeth.
man,
Because I got
give me
teeth.
onion.
Like you, motherfucker.
I could eat them.
You just suck on them, bro. You just suck on it. You suck that shit down.
I get a gum. You
Yeah,
don't.
right.
You bite it and they fuck. Ow!
You suck on this like it's foreskin, fool, because that's all you can do.
Yeah, her lips.
3 bolts right now. After working all day on Gabe's shitter, finally be able to install this TSR battery tray. Just tighten these up real quick, and then it'll be all done. Ready to load it on the trailer. Oh, I was the only one pushing. Watching over there, what are you all just fucking videoing? Woo woo! What's up, Isaac? It's cracking, baby.
Fucking villain, man.
Early morning in Arizona. As you can see, the right-hand drive Integra's gone. It was right here in this beautiful space. Now we got more space. You know we're gonna fill it quick though with something else. My dad loves that shit. Anyways, right-hand drive's gone. Took it back to its owner. Got a few little things we need to finish up on it, but they're gonna be able to do that at their house. Gonna go to Tucson, check out a car. We might bring it back, we might not. That's not important right now. What's important is I find my sunglasses and we get the fuck out of here.